1 plus 1 is not equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is 11. You must have heard this Indian saying, एक और एक 11 होते हैं. Say the user to input a number. Let's say the user inputs 1. Store 1 in a variable named 1. Print 1 plus 1. Run code and I gave the input 1. Enter and the output is 1111. Why so? Actually, the input I gave 1 is stored as a string in one variable because the input function returns a string. Let's say I typecast this string to an integer int, run code, input is 1, enter. Now we got 2. Earlier, without this int conversion, print statement was evaluated like this. String concatenation happened here. Let's comment these two statements. Run code. Now see here the output is 11. Like, share, subscribe for more Python videos.